So this is how I remember the keys. I put arrows onto mine. So this one is left because the arrow is pointing left, and also this arrow up here is pointing left. This one is up because this arrow is pointing up, and this is pointing up too. This one is right because this is pointing, these arrows are pointing right, and this little thing is pointing right too. Also, his antennae are pointing right. Worm is down because, well, where the alligator clips connect, it shows down, and it shows down over here. This is space because I actually put the space as in the moon and those kind of things. And then I wrote space over here. This is click because I showed a click sign clicking onto a button, and I put click at the top here. So that's how I remember it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it works on the Makey Makey piano. Okay, ready. So now it works like this. You see these arrows over here? So for this will be tapped if I press up. This will be tapped if I do right. This will be tapped if I do down. This will be tapped if I do left. And this will be tapped if I do space. And this will be tapped if I do click. So now you can just go however you want to do it. Or however you want to do it.